Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 29th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. Why do I have Tesla on the screen? I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, make your own decisions. So Tesla closed a little bit down today. So down 7.96, 1.16%. Post-market, we seem to be up, well, depending on what you believe, 684 or minus 12 cents. I don't know exactly. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So basically, there's no problem. There's no problem. We have a red candle, longer wick at the bottom, shorter wick at the top. So even though we closed a little bit down during the day, there's still a little bit of buying pressure since we are quite far away from 667. Yes, so we are basically smack in the middle between the support at 667 and the resistance, the diagonal resistance, basically right now at 693. So this is just a sideways action after the big move that we had on June 23rd. So just some sideways action. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. Let me see, where's the 930 here? Okay, so 930 was here. This candle here. So basically we opened down from yesterday. And then went sideways, trending sideways, and basically towards the end of the day we have a little bit of a move up. So nothing special there, nothing to get too scared about. Let's look at the indicators. Stochastic is at 86, so stochastic is way above 80, so this is a strong positive. Oh yeah, look at this, we have an extra thumbs up. MACD is still 2 thumbs up because of the crossover for 1 thumbs up, and the other crossover, the other thumbs up is about the 2 lines that became positive. I'm trying to sneeze, so sorry, I'm getting distracted. And then the DMI still very strong. So basically Tesla is holding itself nicely over 667. This is great. If it can stay there for a while before moving up even further, that is going to be great. If a stock moves too high too fast, then it's going to pull back. Well, it could pull back quite big. So I like when a stock does a little move, then takes a pause, another little move, then takes another pause. So we are just in a pause. So all is well. We are still above this diagonal resistance here. We are still above 667. Nothing to see here, nothing to see. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I publish a Tesla and Palantir video every weekday and also a recap on Sunday. Thank you for liking, commenting. I read all of your comments. We have a TradingView affiliate link for you to save 30 bucks on a paid plan if you like to do so. We have a Discord server and we have a Patreon account. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to wish you a great evening, and I'm going to look at when is July 1st, because in Canada, July 1st is our national holiday, so it's not it's just in 2 days. So I wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.